Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. My name is TEDDI MARIE. I am excited about today's video, guys. I am demoing and reviewing the new Airbrush bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. Who's excited? Excited about this because I want to see how it looks on my skin tone. So if you want to see how it looks along with some other swatch from my bronzer collection, stay tuned and don't forget to like this video. Liking the video helps my video get seen by other people, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And let's jump into the demo and the review. I'm so excited for this bronzer. When I seen it, I just ordered it. I just ordered it. I had to order it. Not really a makeup like hoarder like I used to be, so it really takes a lot for me to want to buy a new product. I'm just unboxing it. Look at this. Look at that packaging, and it's nice and heavy. Oh, this is just luxurious. Wow, look at this. Ooh, look at that color. I've already got my face done. I'm gonna leave my whole face beat in the description box so you know what I'm wearing. Brush. Actually, I kind of want to do half my face with, see, I'm one of these people that I just do powder bronzer, so that's more what I do just for the sake of time and blending. So I think I'm gonna do half my face. I don't know, what should I do? I kind of don't use a cream all the time, so I'm just for the sake of video, but I'm gonna do it. This is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Concealer in Deep. Okay, so I blended out that concealer. I really like this shade. It's really nice. Okay, so we are gonna jump into the demo. A little information about the bronzer. So it's oversized natural matte bronzer that is infused with hyaluronic acid and finely milled pigments for a skin perfecting bronze filter for face and body. And I got Sephora pulled up on my phone. I just wanted to share a little information about it. The coverage is medium, the finish is matte, the formulation is pressed powder, skin type is normal, dry combination, and oily. Highlighted ingredients: hyaluronic acid, micro fine perfecting powders, micro spears. It's free of sulfates, SLS, and SES. And this product is gluten-free. Also to note, this bronzer was created to blend with the skin and warm the look of the complexion while blurring the appearance of any imperfections. It is perfect for all over face and body, or to define or contour. Sorry if that was a little choppy. That was the product details on Sephora. So I picked this up from Sephora. It retails for $55. Right now she has 4 colors. She has fair, medium, tan, and then deep. I of course have the deep one. And the only other products I have from Charlotte Tilbury is her cream shadows, which I just love. Let me see if I can pull them out. I have Mona Lisa, and then I have Starr Gold. These are really good cream shadows. So this is my next purchase from her. So I'm excited to try this out. So let's not waste any time. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Zoom in on that color. Ooh, that's pretty. Brought you in closer. Just gonna tap it a little bit in. See it there on the brush. I'm just gonna look into my mirror and I'm just gonna put it kind of in the hollows of my cheeks. I'm just gonna make this face. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. Doesn't look like it's that deep in the pan, but that's deep. That's pretty deep. Bronzer in, because that helps blend it a little bit better. And I don't have any highlighter on or blush on yet. Wow, that complements that concealer really well. I'm just gonna dig in a little bit more. Wow. Of course, it'd be nice if she had more colors. I'm sure she's gonna put out more colors. She would have to. But this is really pretty. It gives us a nice bronze look. Do the forehead a little bit. I'm happy that I picked this up. And I'm even happier that I can review it for you guys so you have a reference. Definitely matte, definitely airbrushed. Feels good on the skin. Let's take a close-up on the skin. Wow. My skin looks like butter. Straight up butter. Wow. That is so pretty. This is very pretty. Like, I'm really pleased with this bronzer. Wow. All I can say is wow. And you guys can see how well this is blending out. Looks like butter. Definitely airbrushed. Definitely giving me enough depth. Not too red, not too cool. It's just perfect. Let me show you again what it looks like in the pan. Let's do the nose. I really don't do like hardcore nose contour, not really. But since I did the concealer, let me just try it. Just lightly do it. With this MAC 224. Yeah, I believe this is a 224. Yeah, it is. I'm just bringing it up to my eyebrows. And just bringing it down. Yeah, I don't like to do a hardcore. But it's good to kind of contour your nose a little bit because it shows up in picture and video. It doesn't just look, gives it more definition. But I love my nose, so I don't really trip about how small it is. I'm just gonna take that big brush and kind of brush it. So this is what the bronzer is looking like on my skin. I am really impressed. I'm really happy with this bronzer. This is the final look. I would definitely recommend this bronzer. So if you are in the range of deep, I'll give you some foundation references for myself. I wear Maybelline Superstay and Fit Me in Mocha 360, Lancome Tint Idole Eyewear 500 Suede W Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid Foundation, and the cream stick Eyewear Y535. Bronzer is definitely something I would recommend if you want to splurge. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it takes a lot for me to spend money on bronzer, especially if I have something I already really love. Actually, let's see, I'll show you the bronzer that I have been using, and this is OG. I've been rocking with the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer, Ebony Bronze, for a long time. I got some backups of these, but recently I picked up the Fenty Mocha Mommy bronzer, and I'm gonna do some swatches for you in with light and outdoors. I think that's gonna be more helpful. So here's these two. And those are some of the ones I've been using lately. And here it is compared to the Charlotte Tilbury. I don't think I had a, but I'm gonna have swatches with all my bronzers. I even have Makeup Revolution bronzers. I have deep and dark. So I'm gonna swatch all those and put them, I'm gonna insert them in this video so you have a reference. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please like this video, share it, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to use your beauty to empower yourself. And I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye guys.